Dati na doon siya naging Rayman.
Siya yung turnover na.
Si Gilbert? Laro lang, Gilbert.
Ganito na lang, nanay. Host na lang ako. Kahit dalawa.
O, sige.
Yung ano, yung naka... Suspender.
Suspended si Boogie. Si Boogie man. Ali, support.
Boobsy, wag ka na sumali, manager ka na lang.
Ako yung mga manager nyo?
Manager ka na lang namin.
Sige, dito na lang ako. Wait lang!
Baklaan eh.
Baklaan to.
Okay, so we have how many candidates tonight? 1, 2,
Yung
3, 4, 5, 6.
Yung mananalo, kukunin mo yung premyo,
Sige, kunin mo yung pa-premyo. Pa-premyo to, sayang, sumali kayo, katuwaan lang naman.
Ay, nanay! Maraming bakla dito!
Yan, kuha ka dyan, humugot.
Alvin! Halika na, be! Sige na. Ang arte naman? Dito, si Manong! Mga bakla eh.
Halala, hindi bakla yan, huy. Nag-prayer meeting niya.
Mukha kasi manager ng mga lalaki.
Okay na. So ito na, meron na tayo nito. 6. Ready na kayo? Nasaan si Tomas? Nasaan yung dalawa? Sino? Bakla din yan? Bakla yan? Bakla ka? Merit. Bakit ako? Merit din ako. Okay, sige. Kompleto na? Okay. Okay, music. Siyempre, music. Ulit. Okay, listen. Here we go.
The show is about to start. Places. The show is about to start. You have to show a look, have a look, or give a look. Faces. Beautiful. No one ugly allowed.
Good evening to everyone. Welcome to our comedy session, Miss Gay competition. Tonight we're going to witness 6 lovely candidates together with 101 Dalmatians. Our Miss Gay end of the world. To start with, for the Parade of Nations, let's have contestant number 1.
How do you look? London, Paris, Milan, Tokyo. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Diana Tampalpuki. Pwede tira-tirahin sa dilim. Huwag lang po pupumigin, makakaulit ka pa rin. At naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan na ang batang makulit pinapalo sa puwet, pero ang baklang makulit tinitira sa puwet.
Thank you so much. Let's have contestant candidate number 2.
How do you look? Fashionista. How do you look? Fashionista. How do you look? What are you wearing? Sean. Valentino, YSL, Ferragamo, and Chanel. Halston, Gucci, Fiorucci, don't forget my Gucci. If to say is as easy as to know what is good to do, chapels would build churches and permanent cottages, bridges, palaces. I stand for strength and conviction that we homosexuals is the ultimate power to alter this universe into happy and merry one of us. The reason why we're called gays. Good evening, distinguished panel of judges, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you is Wendell from the Queen City of the South. Naniniwala sa kasabihang, hindi ako singgada ng nanay nyo, hindi sintalino ng lola nyo, pero malay nyo, isa ako sa pinatuwad ng tatay nyo.
Thank you so much for our contestant number 2. Let's have candidate number 3. Candidate number 3 is a former policeman. approach your microphone.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Maria Rebecca Suwang Mangkukulam, Yuda di Mambabaran, Isis Bala from Capiz City.
Ayaw ka kasabihan? Kasabihan? Any motto in life that you would like to share with us? Motto in life.
My motto is Ajinomoto.
Let's have candidate number 4.
The show is about to start. JP Di Guzman. The show is about to start.
Candidate number 4.
Susmita Porque mala importante, virgin ka pa.
Ugly allowed. Bakit?
Candidate number 5.
Just out of my car. All over the heart. Angels in the dark. Which one of you would ever dare to go again?
Buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches, señorita María, amigas, caballeras, porque me regla con todo pacasa, mala importante, malaki puke. Representa, Centro Republicato, Sino Laguniza, Mexico, Pampanga. May kasabihan po tayo na ang wise na misis na wise tip mula kay Lumeng. Imbis ng bababae, mangbakla na lang kayo, singsarap pero gising mahal.
Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the join. These are 5 beautiful ladies. The last but not the least. Candidate number 6.
No one ugly allowed.
Ladies and gentlemen, Caridad Sanchez.
Kiniyap, tigidig. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Lagi po sa inyong alapan na nag-isang Diyos sa nakagandahan. Ito po ang sinakyan ni Glada Mercado sa kanyang White Castle commercial. Ang nag-isang bituin ng ABS-CBN, Ann Curtis.
Ulul!
Sa teleseryeng Pangkarerang Kuba, na nagsasabing, aling pa ang kabayo kung eto na ako. Thank you.
No one ugly allowed.
There you have them, ladies and gentlemen, our lovely these the candidates of vying for the title tonight. And of course, we'd like to call them back on stage for the traditional question and answer portion. Come on, guys.
I'm so confident, because of all the...
Well, no question yet, no question yet, no
Because
question
of all the candidates, I'm the most beautiful. My
Okay,
gosh.
okay. Okay, arrange yourselves according to your number. According to your number. Ladies. Okay, there you are. Ano ba?
Bakit may paniki?
Bakit may bayakan? Okay, so let's have the first candidate for your question.